that lump in the middle of the bed that's snoring, that is Lucy. You see the bandana and the ears. I think that's an ear. That might be an ear. Anyway, yeah. That thing that's not helping with the cookies, that won't get any cookies. Okay, all right. Okay. Lucy would like to say good morning, but she's snoring. But anyway, that is what Lucy will not be getting any of. She wouldn't eat them anyway. So anyway, those are oatmeal cookies. And that is what I am going to eat the rest of. Yep. In my mouth. Never mind where that went. Okay. Lucy will be back to say good morning or good afternoon later. And when the cookies are done, yes.